March 12th, 2024. Puffball training and bringing it back. Forget what that's called. Fetch and retrieve. And here he brings it back. Oh, good boy. Good boy. See, he brought it back. Good boy, Oz. Whoops. Good boy, Ozzy James. Oh, you're a good boy. Give me. Oh, you better get that. You better get it. It's right there. Go get it. Good boy. I can't hold this camera. Where'd he go? Here he comes. Puffball in mouth. Puffball in mouth. Ready? Ozzy. Right here. Go get it. There he goes. Oh, he's quick. He's quick. Good boy. Yeah, he kicks it. Let's see. He brings it back. Good boy. Whoa. Here he comes. He got this pink puffball. His pink puffball. Yeah. Last one for film. There you go. There he goes. Big dude. He's getting long. He's not gaining. Well, he eats all the time, but good boy, Ozzy James.